Remember last year, Usne, she went to an interview. She reveals she doesn't like Uma Kamalo and Mangwabe. They are not nice people. They're just pretending for the camera. Guys, Umayene Amakele are the best one because she did say she thanks Umakele every day for being there for her. She even went on to say that there was a day where she went to visit Umangwabe, guys, Mangwabe's house and ate a roll. Umangwabe complained, said that is no, you should have ate a bread. Delay roll is captain zengani, guys, and people did protect Umangwabe, saying about some people on budget, guys, it's not that big deal. On returning as Temple season 8 episode 24, Usne and Makele, they will be doing their nails. Usne, she will reverse ukuthi yena she will never be forced to like those women Umakamalo and Mangwabe, guys. Makele's respond. Makele went on to say that those are not your wives, so there's no need for you to like them, guys. As a first wife, I really blame Makele. I do understand that Umakele, she did raise Usne, and Usne and Makele, they do have a great relationship. There was a time where Lwandle was even jealous, saying ukuthi Umakele loves Usne compared to the other kids, Abongwe and himself. So guys, first for Makele for saying ukuthi Usne, there's no problem for her not liking Makhomalo and Mangwabe, guys, is totally wrong. As a first wife, you need to encourage everyone to have peace. At the end of the day, seems like Umakele, she doesn't want that. So guys, we cannot wait to watch Utana Time season 8 episode 24 to find out the reason why Usne, she doesn't like Makhomalo and Mangwabe, guys. There's a lot of stuff that we need to know, because I book, guys, is their colors up. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.